Akwa Millennium City is a premium multi-nucleic real estate development that is slated to redefine the concept of urban living within Awka, Anambra State. The developer envisions a new residential layout whose development will boost economic activities with increasing the quality of housing in the state capital territory. The commercial avenue cascaded to include developments such as worship centers, recreational establishments, offices, malls, restaurants, etc. enables Akwa Millennium City facilitate the concept of live, work and play as one-stop destination. Akwa Millennium City will be underpinned by quality municipal infrastructure, seamlessly integrated via the adoption of technology that will guarantee seamless provisions of requisite amenities needed to sustain a good quality lifestyle. Owing to its adoption of technology in various components of the development, Akwa Millennium City is poised to become the first smart city in the southeast upon completion. Awka is the capital city of Anambra State, which has the West Africa's largest markets in Onitsha. The state is ranked first in commercial trade volume in Nigeria's southeastern region, known as one of the fastest growing economies in business hub of Nigeria. Akwa Millennium City will be a haven strategically located in Awka City, conveniently located just steps from the new government state house. It is positioned about 40 kilometers from the beautiful River Niger, making it easily accessible from Asaba International Airport. It is also conveniently accessible via Old Onitsha Enugu Road, which is linked to the Onitsha Enugu Expressway. Akwa Millennium City has 4 major airports within a 100-kilometer radius, which are Anambra State International Cargo and Passenger Airport, Sambakwe International Airport Owerri, Akwa International Airport Enugu, and Asaba International Airport. Akwa Millennium City could not have been better located.